Mm. Where can true love ever be found? Where can true love ever be found? You left for one bag and a promise to return. Said every mile away was a future we would earn. You called each morning before you went to work. We spoke about the home that we were gonna build. Photographs upon the walls, every empty room fulfilled. Then the calls grew shorter and the messages turned cold. You stopped saying I miss you like the words were getting old. I stayed here believing every promise that you made. While I guarded our tomorrow, you were giving it away. What happened to our dreams? What happened to forever? You said we'd face the distance and come home strong together. I waited through the silence while you learned to live without me. You went away to build our future, then built one without me. Where can true love be found when only one heart stays? I was counting down the distance while you slowly walked away. Yeah. You forgot that I was here. Yeah. You forgot what you had promised. I was holding on to us while your heart had left without us. I worked every hour, kept our picture by my side, saving every little coin for the life we had designed. I gave you understanding when your schedule became tight. I told myself you loved me though you never called at night. People tried to warn me but I defended your name. Said the distance was the problem and your heart remained the same. Then I saw the photograph you never meant to show. You were standing beside someone I did not even know. Was I just somebody waiting in the country that you left? A familiar little number you could quietly forget. Did our promises mean nothing when your world began to change? Did loving me become away from half a world away? I stayed here believing every promise that you made. While I guarded our tomorrow, you were giving it away. What happened to our dreams? What happened to forever? You said we'd face the distance, come home strong together. I waited through the silence while you learned to live without me. You went away to build our future, then built one without me. Where can true love be found when only one heart stays? I was counting down the distance while you slowly walked away. I remember drawing plans across the floor, choosing corners for the windows where we placed the bedroom door. You said working in another land would only last a year. Then we lived the future we had always pictured here. One year became another, every deadline moved again. I kept waiting for a lover, but you treated me like a friend. Your replies became a sentence, then a word and then a sign. A silent screen at midnight where your name was sent to mine. I was patient with the distance, I was faithful through the doubt. I protected every memory while you slowly shut me out. Every extra hour I worked was for the plans we understood, but I cannot build tomorrow where no honest promise stood. I would have crossed the distance, I would have shared the strain, I would have stood beside you through every loss and gain. But love cannot keep living when only one heart stays. I cannot keep rebuilding what you keep throwing away. What happened to our dreams? What happened to forever? You said we'd face the distance and come home strong together. I waited through the silence, but I will not wait forever. You may have changed our ending, but I put myself together. Where can true love be found? The heights where truth remains, where two hearts choose each other through the distance and the pain. I was counting down the days forgot that I was here. Now I'm walking toward a future I no longer have to fear. The house remains a drawing, the frames are still unfilled. The future that we promised is a home we never built. I'll leave our plans behind me and face what now begins. True love will not abandon the heart that waits for it.